Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Now the blade could use a good cleaning. The saw could use a good cleaning. So I'm going to take some kerosene, put it in a pan, soak the chain, scrub out the blade, get these grooves opened up where they should be. Pretty good amount of gunk in there. Okay, I'm going to let that sit and soak for a while. At the same time, I can clean out the gunk out of this brake. I suppose there could be an argument made that buying a new one is easier than cleaning this out, but you'd have a hard time proving it to me, because I think about how much money it's going to cost and how long it takes to get that money arranged. Now, back when I was working, yeah, okay, if I had to spend a day working on this or a day working on something else for work, I got paid a lot more than a chainsaw is worth every day, especially a used old beat up chainsaw. But then I'm not working anymore. I'm relying on what I have in savings, which grows, but with the stock market being what it is and the economy being as screwed up as it is today, that ain't much. 1.5% is my really big CD right now. And I know people are saying, well, the stock market or Bitcoin or some other silly thing would work. And that's for a younger man. That's for somebody who says, well, I can lose it all and get it back before I retire. That's not for us old guys that already retired. The chef is making turkey today, so I don't want to miss Okay. Time to stop and have lunch. Looks good. Bore's in good shape, rings look nice, piston's not got any scoring on it. I think we're okay. How you doing?
Okay. I've used either my stew pot or my new bowls, or, as in the case of today, both of them, every day since I got them.
Oh, cool. So they were a good investment.
They were a good investment. I'm taking, you did go out to the mailbox?
I went out to the mailbox, all there was that thing about Mosquito Squad.
I didn't see, what was it?
Mosquito Squad, the advertising.
Yeah. the chain okay now?
Yeah, the chain's sharp and everything's all ready to go. Sharp chain, muffler cleaned, everything's ready to go except the primer bulb. As soon as I get that busted primer bulb changed, be a running chainsaw. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.